Hello dear paper friends. Today I would like to show you how to edit or customize my designs in Canva. I haven't used Canva for a while and I just realized that share template link is only in the pro version, so I shared my designs in the video link description from Google Drive in PDF. I haven't flattened my designs in PDF, so I downloaded my designs in PDF for print from Canva. Then I uploaded in my Google Drive. Then I shared the links in the video descriptions. You can download PDF files from the video description, then upload into your free Canva account. Then you can probably edit most of the elements. It's not 100% sure, but you can give it a try. That's how you can edit or customize these designs. Please use these designs only for personal use. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit the like button and have a great day. Bye.